Hello guys, what's up? So we are here now inside in a supermarket here in Torremolinos, Spain. So guys, we go shopping today. Some food and personal stuff because we are staying here in Spain for 10-day vacation. So we have to do that so that we can save a little bit. So the supermarket is nice, a bit big, a bit wide. Lots of choices inside, lots of many stuff. So today the supermarket has not so many shoppers or people inside, so that's good. So I don't like so crowded also. So you can see many things here inside, guys, like stuff for the household and food. So that's cool, guys. So this is our first time to do shopping here in Torremolinos, Spain. So I hope you like and enjoy this video, guys. So we are now exploring the supermarket here in Torremolinos, Spain. So it's our first time here in Torremolinos, Spain, guys. That's why it's a bit excited to both of us. So guys, I hope you like and you enjoy this short video and hope to see you next time. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so that you get updated on my next video here in my YouTube channel. Okay guys, ciao.